It is a very effective method for restoring the broken vows and also protection from the interferences. But it is also very dangerous at the same time if you don't perform it well. So because of this reason, the danger of this practice, there is no mention of talk offering in the writings of Lama Tsongkhapa and his close disciples. So if it is performed properly, then it is a very effective method for cultivating the realizations of completion stage practice, and therefore it is a very unique feature of the highest yoga tantra. So when we say talk, and this should not be meant by the offering substance like the made out of champa and so forth, that's something to be eaten, and like the meat and the alcohol. So the meaning of talk is congregation, where all the heroes and heroines and dakinis gather for sort of a party.
So
when there are only male practitioners who assembled for the talk offering, then this is known as the feast of the heroes. And when you have only female practitioners performing the talk offering, then this is known as the feast of the heroines. So in the talk offering practices where you have both the female and male practitioners, this is known as the wheel of congregation, wheel of congregation. So I said wheel, I think it's better to say circle, a circle of congregation, and the Vajra master who heads these talk offering practices should have some specific characteristics, and also the disciples should have specific characteristics. This has been explained by Indian master called Abhyakara, and also in the Samvorodaya Tantra. So because talk is one of the main chief cause for cultivating, chief cause for achieving the powerful attainments, and also achieving the attainments of external and inner dakini. So therefore you should, if possible, you should make talk offerings daily. If not, as explained in the Heruka Tantras, do during the twice during the 1 month. That is during the one during the waxing moon and one during the waning moon. So the best time for making the talk offering is during the evening, as it is explained in the Root Tantra. So this has been once explained that when Kiru Rinpoche, the chief disciple of Lama Tsongkhapa, had the vision of Chakrasambhava, the Heruka prophesied to Kiru Rinpoche, saying that if you don't break your commitment of making talk offerings during the waning moon and the waxing moon, then there is no doubt that to be able to travel to the pure land of darkness. So, as explained in one of the Yoga Tantras, at least you should not break the commitment of making 12 offerings during a particular month known as the month of victory. So this month falls on the end of the 11th month of Tibetan and the beginning of the Tibetan's 12th month, starting from the 15th, 16th of 11th Tibetan month and right up to the 15th of the 12th month. So the substance for 12 offering, if you do not obtain many other things, it is not important. The most important substances is the meat and the alcohol. This has been explained in the Tantra that without the alcohol and the meat, the achievement of the powerful attainment will not be swift. So it has been also the importance of this, the necessity of the meat and the alcohol has also been explained in the root Tantra. So the making of the tormas, that shape of the torg and so forth is not very important. Even if you don't have them, that won't break your commitment, and because this shape of the tormas and so forth were not being practiced in India before. So if you really make a torma for the torg offering, the shape of the torg, then it should be either the shape of the hero's heart or the breast of the heroine. So although you make that kind of shape, but the bhatta decorations sometimes in some traditions like Nimapa, they make bhatta decorations of 5-spoked vajra and then half and full garlands of jewels and so forth. This is not done. But it is important to adorn with the crescent moon, crescent moon and the sun disk and nada on top. And the meat should be placed in the right side and the alcohol on the left. So even during Tsog offering, you should not call them by the ordinary names. You should call them the alcohol as madana and the meat as bala.
딱 내가 제가 배라서 들려 보러당에 쓰려고 하고 근데 제비들이 영화에 쓰려고 레자를 파티 보러당에 쓰려고 하고 근데 여기서 신이 말았어.
But although those who have attended many teachings, they know that the meat should not be called meat by ordinary name and should be rather called bala, and the alcohol has madana, but they don't know that how to greet the fellow practitioners, saying that have you come? You have to say pratange, and the other one replying saying that prati pratange, I have come.
제가 근데 소리 보내서는 드레고 산스크리트 계획 도와야 되네. 다다이 랜드부터 시작하러 왔다. 근데 임바데스.
So actually, this practice has to be carried on. That's the mass sort of communicating with sort of divine in divine language, the Sanskrit language.
근데 다나서 타나르베 민기 제바도 받는다. 다나서 초세에서 유제는 초세 사진발을 샤워로 받는다. 초세 유를 유로 받는다. 제가 이나 나그 bombe드는 자동 그래서 나그 bombe드는 동안 용유하랬어.
So in the same way, if you throw a substance of talk offering and place them on backgrounds and so forth, then you will accumulate non-virtues of transgressing one of the tantric bombos.
다나서 이거는 주제자도 되는 요디 소스다 표지 제가 가는 애들이 포괄을 받는 연예인 포괄 동bat 인산 지 초가 말해서 가져 있는 연예인이 다 자료 받는 연예인 다 가려 자르면은 포괄이 바 가져 되는 가져 제 자가 맞거든요. 포괄 동bat 잔 지미우스.
So also during the talk offering, as the late Venerable Debji Tachanabhaji used to suggest that one should not keep one's cups empty. Either there should be a tea inside it, or you keep it upside down.
대전들은 이제 땡땡이 제조로 이제 이말이다. 가정의 배 때문으로 제가 걸려야 되니 그 포도가 땡땡을 미워하러다 진짜 임발했어.
Because the practice of talk offering is like the feast of feast which is performed in great light. Therefore, it is inauspicious to keep some empty cups.
진짜 하나씩 이런들이 소라만 키로 가는 지나고는 있는데 진흙이 대소하게 전화해야 되니 뱀바로 어디 주제다. 근데 소라가 나를 돌려야 되니 뱀바 몇 발대야지 주제 키로하러 어디다. 근데 다 뭐는 뱀바 주고야 야 말이스.
So and also when you take the pretas talk out, the remaining the talk, when it is dark, you have to take some light along with it.
근데 두종 하나 주고다 지나고는 되게도 되더니 뼈지 주제더니 키로 열었다 들어 뱀바이 몇 개절했어.
So this is symbolized by this is later practiced by taking burn incense out.
다시 들으시면 다들 제가 대체고는 민도다 두종 다시 담바체가 가는 거네. 다시 담바체가 가는 해야 되니 오면은 거리를 해야 되니 소리 표시됐어.
So when you do the sadhanas alone, then and if you want to make the talk offering with the sadhana alone, then you have to make the talk offering at the beginning of the Toma offering to the general protectors, or Omima, which starts with Akanishtan.
뒤가지고 해야 되니 제 손을 무사도 젠타고야 야말 틀려야 되니 또마 표사가 되니 또내 젠타한테 이거 인전에 어디에 되니 고쳐가지고 다 틀려야 되니 이 표시됐어.
So here it is not necessary to invite the guest for the talk offerings, because you have already invited the guest for the Toma offerings, and you retain that guest and make the talk offering to these guests.
근데 다주스다 라마 이면은 다주기 조사들이야 되니 소피하고 그래 참 여러 가지 이거 표현이 그랬어.
So if you take self-initiations, then you will find in the self-initiation a point where you make the talk offering.
근데 저는데 가져서는데 다주 내사게 되니 와스다 라사게 되니 되게 앞으로 왔어.
So in that case, you are making the talk offering to from whom you have visualized taking initiations.
어다 도스인데 이제 이제 다 제시들이야. 되니 다 사적한 제세가 서로 되는데 되니 많이 제세사로 오늘은 되게 먹고 요리더니 가서리만 되니 알란 제메선에 중에 되니 이제 사적한 제세로 옆에란다 사적한 제세가 되니 그래서 사적한 제세가 되니 제제를 받자는다 제제를 받자더니 제세지 소나 요리 되니 여러 인전에 되는 땡제더니 신하들에게 많이 제세 소네요 많이 제세는 최미 되는 일이자 되니 뒤나로야 띠lun다 띠lun에 되니 제세 표현다 또 제하지게 되니 많이 제세 전들이 요리스.
for the practice of fire burnt offering, there's what is known as the Sajja Khatu Jinse, that is the Dakinis fire burnt offering, and there was a Tibetan Lama called Alak Jingme. He composed a practice of fire burnt offering, sort of modeled on that Dakinis fire burnt offering on Yamantaka, and then later this was on this basis some lamas invented the fire burnt offering, what is known as the battle lamp fire burnt offering, where you throw sesame seeds into battle lamp.
Nimba Kabu Jesse Tana Yorba, Nimba Kabu Jesse, only to take it, Mani Jesse sort of Kochuk Mari Yonda, she Jesse Taurus.
But these fire burnt offering would not fulfill the fire burnt offering which you have to do as at the end of the retreat, known as the supplementary or compensatory fire burnt offering.
Understand? Mani Jesse Chakali, Channel, Lodi, you see Kabajan, Yahuji Tigama, Dinamasi, yeah. Sajja Khalu Nashi Menda the legend, Menda the Nalo, Jesse Chadang, the quarter, Jajapanga Kazuna to see yours.
So when you make this battle and fire burnt offering, because there is a battle in it, the sesame seeds are not easily burnt. Therefore, Dr. Papanka Rinpoche has composed a text where you find the techniques to do this, find the way to do this fire burnt offering by actually burning the sesame seeds into fire.
And that was that. Does it answer you minute? To join the Sosa Design of the Donala,
so these practices are very good for purification of negativities and also accumulation of merits.
Did it see you chart the
So for the offering during what is known as the 10th day, that is the top offering, there are many different types, the extensive ones and the brief ones. So if you want to do the top offering of the Techu, the 10th day, extensively, then you need all the three mandalas of Vajrayogini, what is known as the symbolic Sindur Mandala, the symbolic mandala of body, and then the nectar mandala, which is the symbolic mandala of the speech, and then I said Sindur, actually it's the heap, sorry, and then a Sindur mandala, which is the symbolic mandala of the mind. These three mandalas you need. So in the tradition of Satyapa, for the symbolic mandala of the body, they actually place a statue underneath the Kapala, but it is not very good practice to place statue underneath the Kapala, so you just put a heap of sindoor there. If you want to do the middling version of the top offering of the 10th day, then you arrange the heap mandala of the symbolic mandala of body and leave the nectar mandala, but place on top of this, to top of the heap mandala, the sindoor mandala. And the shortest one you can do by drawing on a mirror, double drawing on the mirror reality source by alcohol, and then in the middle of this reality source you just place a heap of sindoor.
드리 담아 제가 가는 애들이 여러 개 맨 애들이 그렇고 근데 와고 가는 미션을 와고 제가 가는 여러 땅을 봐도 수수 달고 남아가는 처리야 다마베 두고 서로 된다 포션 되게 이제 무슨 얘기 여러 개 담아가는 되게 됐어.
So when you practice the self-initiation yourself, you don't need screens around this mandala, but you, except for the canopy, red sort of reddish cloth on top.
하나도 이제 초가땅에 가는 얘는 제가 저기는 다제 둔제 분바도 제가 참으로 배는데 당제들이 또 제가 됐어.
So also the rituals which are performed along with the soul offerings of the 10th. If you do the extensive one, then you have to do the whole sadhana and also the front generation and consecration of the vows, bath and the self-generation, self-initiation.
레로 마치마 있네요. 레로 마치마 있네요.经过主持工作嘛，对这边等住个参把都嘛对超的是，多了引起的差呢，等住可多的来说呢，等住的对嘛话些有些，等住个什么的嘛真的，当然不是可多的嘛，冲着的呢，等住的来嘛话些是常常可能对超的是。
Those who haven't done the retreat, the lerung, the what is known as, technically known as lerung, the inability to engage with the activities. So if the practitioner hasn't done that yet, then he can do up to the point where self-initiative starts, and then leave that part, and then continue with the offering of the torments.
제가 어떻게나 근데 bombadan 뉴제 때 뭐가 된다. bomba도야 돼. 또 뭐가 돼. 뉴제 초가들 때 뭐가 되는 바한테当票当就是这错就大家是对就都真的是
So to do the middle version of this, you do the sadhana, but not the front generation and the consecration of the vase. And to do the shortest version, you can just only perform the soul offering part. So now next is what is known as the yoga of Toma offering, so which you find at the conclusion of the sadhana. Substance for Toma offering, you need nectar pills and the meat, alcohol, and rices and so forth, but you should not use rotten substances. So in the text it's explained that the torments should not be just absolutely dry, it should be rather wet. So this has been explained in the Tantras. So masters of the past, some of them they misinterpreted this meaning of kumbha, which means moist and wet, and then they thought it was a drawing of the deity. So they put drawings of the deities on the torments. So this misinterpretation was caused from the not knowing the proper spellings of the Uru Tantra. So here you have three tormas, the tormas having sort of a bulbous shape, with the 4 petals on the 4 directions, and in the front you have the Toma, which you offer for the chief deity, and then on the right side, on the right side you have the Toma offering for the worldly Dakinis, and on the left side to the chief protector, the Kinkara couples. The shape of the Toma which you offer for the Kinkara couples is round on the bottom and sort of a slightly triangular on top, and on the base, the round shape, you have 7 champus. I don't know how to call it. It's like a handprint. 7 champus around it. So because this Toma also has the lotus petals, so therefore it looks similar from the front, and all these 3 Tomas have the butter decoration of 5 pieces in the middle. And although it is not in this Toma chart, but you also need on this 5-piece butter decoration another piece with pointed shape, which you have for the usual Tomas on top of that one. And on top of that you have the moon crescent moon, and then the sun and the nada. So the Toma which you offer for the general protectors, which is taken out, this is rather sort of bulbous and has 4 sort of cut pieces on the 4 sides, 4 like cut from the down of the Toma, lower part of the Toma. It's like 4 cut pieces on the 4 sides. And then this is adorned with meat on both sides or on one side. So during the commentary, this Toma for the general protectors are offered out, taken out daily. But when you are doing a retreat, it is not necessary. You can make one, prepare one, and then put it inside the Toma box.
수수 주주는 배드니 이런 거 도마들려야드니 도마다바리 장고야 야마 로강이 나올래 그래서 수수 배드니 거기에 대해서 들려야드니 도마디상 수수 타는 거를 치면 얘네들이 들려야 민다 근데 상장도 봐 상장되더니 수수 비게 거기 상식에 상사들이야 상단되더니 들려야드니 상화도 장화도 되지 이제 도마든 뇌를 상단데 도마 야제 용하죠 야제 용하데 랑 뇌를 제제드니 대표선 되겠어.
And the Tomas offerings for the meditational deities, you don't need to have wherever you go. You can keep it in a permanent residence, and then although you might be in a country very far away from it, when you purify and then cleanse that drive away interference and so forth, you have to focus your mind on that, on the Tomas which you have in the permanent residence far away. And then when you generate the Toma from within this emptiness, then you have to generate in front of you.
Not 대사제단 그냥 대대수 접형은 침상 손배 파수나 그러는데 마치는 좀 얘기는 소재 표현이다. 진짜 야 정말 추춘 조절은 뭐지 저런도 그베셔서 제대다 정도는 되와. 근데 이제 담아는 고제된 제대 잡아다. 조조 그랬던 단된 거보다 매 정말 춘좀 진단이 추슈와 남로 꾸제 권위를 별람 줘봐라나 맞을 제도 대수 남자 내가 문제 내서 타들 라면 장전은 너도 해봐지 투면 좀 주세요서 봐지 양점에 추춘 조절은 뭐지 저런도 그베셔서 제대다 정도 노아 되와다. 근데 지라다 너무 고제된 제대 잡아다. 자주도 조조 맞대체 춘 중다 또제니는 추슈와 남로 꾸제 고리 별람 줘봐라나 맞은 데서 이제도 그인데 내로라나 동네를 되게 라면 자체지 살아 뉴도 해봐서 투면 좀 주세요서 봐지 실수한데 발라서.
Today's tea offering has been made by Tibetan.
佛说讲你妈妈的路给你生着我是那个人这个在你没到那里连路上书记多是真的特别绝不呢我呢这个是上来我就我看那名字的我那个我那个我那这个拉面的我那那我那这很多就我那个估计也是我那估计我差不多呢那嘛都得看这个的可觉多这个从这呢但是说吧，当那个年纪吧，当这做到这个来做就要不要嘛这个这个这个那么那老个就不就做到估计搞出那些水平的话，也让他们那就我越当给他越当给越当我找我的我那找我那都是我那嘛都不管那个估计那搞现在那我也那那这个这个我那甚至就我那可是做这个那我现在就我你说到这来就那就上里有那些什么的，老百姓们那我也想做些把这种那这我这上到这边我上个给的那多那么有你这个工作都决定了这边老板也把这把这那把这过了那种也了你这边这个就接着这上了那个这个你我都不那个这个这那个这个就我那那个就我那个把他这边就这个什么些去年回来那个我们那把我们那个去年我那个那把你就去年我说那那边那就到那就我那就我也到我那我就那我第一次了的你不要信吧那个这叫自己最多我去年那叫做到那也到不点那说那就那这我这多他们就说那俺说那国家嘛，中国的这能直接比一些这就是那的这叫这些，我说多的这些，我说这个我，定在上面这就那些那个有那多工地，我倒是申请我东西说第一这了去年我说这完了去，这完了去年这把啥玩意那就现在呢这把这完了这了别说那就那个，就那中国人那个那个都是完了这绿多么多。第二个就那什么说的那个门呢，找你我跟他给你把那些把，像先从前先从不前不理解就把那第二没把那就把，说的这嘛那说的那个新年的也那个那个就把那到这个到这家没我怎么那就就也不那这个这个经济过这先给这个就说嘛那就那就那没我做了投资这张那的规划当中这就可这这别就这那这些呢这些那个这面那个就是什么工作我们这那个去年这那个就完了这就我那我这那个我这这些个到我他不说那今天是早晚的那个早中那么热的早就说是就说回来了你这嘛那个你那个地方的那个早都这些到这面你都就早送的这边呢就说这些你是不是就早送的这边就这送的这送的多了这年这早这我到这我就了咱都说你那你就那你个这那就这我了这么多那说那别是咱的这些光路中嘛我那个刚刚有时候老是从那个那些咱们那个那个看搞我也来别的之前我就了那些旅行苦的告诉我我们那边的这我就了那些事了把什么做这个这旅游做完就了咱那把我的咱那也跟那把没有我了这些呢上来说都是上来掉了我干嘛到那个那就我这把这没我把我那这那个东西干嘛呢我了我说我们得了那个都第二个那个呢把这个什么那个都我现在我那我们那我们那个西边这那这样的这个我什么旅行的我那我也是这个把是那个公安我这老板到这就工作到我这就我也是我那是这样的我我现在我今天我就让他把这个那他们那上面嘛都给把他们这些多年讲我们这边这些什么我们西边这里我我这我也是我那那我这边那个这个现在那些人这个那些你做那些那些就工作那今年那我看到这那人家就那个这边都叫我这 철로서 같은 얘기인데 신다중에 나눠야 해야 되네. 또마배 오늘 또마 지표하고 니표하고 되는 또마 주지게 받든 제주로 받는 다음에 망고 주스는 도서 열에디 얘네 얘들은 양원하고 정가 받으면 또마 배워야 되는데 지된발로 또마 배워야 되는 지된은 대발로 또마 배워야 되는데 대만에 니르드네 또마 배지 도송어스.
So although in other traditions like Satyapa there are many different types of Dharma offering starting from 1 up to the 11 many different types of Dharma offerings, but Lama Tsongkhapa categorized them into two, that is the Dharma offering to the transcendental, that is the supermundane deities, and to the worldly deities.
혼자서 인자네드네 다들 도도를 거야 돼. 도도를 거야 하나 지금 주가 뒤에 쳐도드네. 또마 삼네드네. 드네 또마 제로지 첩질 된다. 또마 제로들 해야 되네. 대만에긴 전 탐절은 비워야 되네. 또마 첩질을 해야 제로 제제 이네 대바 이제는 대바는 걸 비우드네. 근데 만대발로 비우자 도스레스.
So as according to the sadhana, you consecrate the Dharma offerings for the transcendental deities and to the worldly deities together, and then make the offering in proper sequence, first to the transcendental deities and then to the worldly deities.
네, 전에는 돈을 줄여야다. 다시 시작하는 저 초를 주다 제발이 사장도 저거 쳤는데 대만이 받더니 되지를 버려버리다. 신한테는 매나로 버리다. 어디서 제 초를
So substance for Dharma offering is, as explained before, the most important part substance is the alcohol and the meat, and also nectar, pills, and medicinal herbs.
어떤 도서들은 표당으로 들려야 되네. 나중에 제질렀는데 뒤에 찾아져야 되거든요. 라바에 도주 쿠트를 제가 띄는데 몇 채마디 잡는데 라티 대야라고. 근데 얘한테는 님들이 건도지더니 난 도스는데 라바이야바. 근데 얘마디 도주 쿠트를 제더니 얘마디 도스인데. 지금 이게 티디 남도 된다. 이게 티디 남도 돼. 이 주사들 해야 되네. 저종이 찾아진다. 저종이 찾아지는데 근데 찾아졌더니 난 땡이 제제. 오늘은 나제. 나를 하호리
So you consecrate this Dharma offering first like inner offering, and then your consecration should be complete with the three factors, that is the inner concentration, and then the external hand gesture, the mudra, and also the recitation of the mantra. So here you have four types of mudras. The first one is first you do your right palm in Vajra wrist like this.